Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix apps draining battery in Samsung. So let's say WhatsApp is draining my battery. We'll open up my WhatsApp. How do I fix it? We'll press on it until it opens up the app info center. Tap on it. Top right corner. Then you go to battery. Tap on battery. And now you can put it on restricted mode. So if you put on restricted battery usage, the app might not work as expected. The game may be delayed, but at least it won't use the battery too much. Or you can use optimize, which is based on your usage of the app. Based on usage of your app, so it's recommended for most apps. This is the best optimize. You can also use restricted. You allow the app to use battery in the background without restriction. This may reduce your battery life. But since you're trying to not allow the app to use too much of our data or drain out the battery, to drain our battery, it's better to put it in restricted mode. You can also force stop it if you're not using it actively. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to stop some apps from using battery or fix app draining battery on Android. As simple as that.